In this video we're going to show you how to fix a running toilet. A constantly running toilet can be annoying and wasteful, significantly increasing your water bills. Let's dive into the steps to fix a running toilet efficiently. A running toilet can waste up to 200 gallons of water per day, which is not only bad for the environment but also for your wallet. Fixing this issue promptly can help conserve water and reduce your utility costs. Before you start, make sure you have the necessary tools. You will need an adjustable wrench, a pair of pliers, a flathead screwdriver, and potentially a replacement flapper or fill valve if they are found to be the problem. Before beginning any repairs, it's crucial to turn off the water supply to your toilet. Look for the valve located at the base or behind the toilet and turn it clockwise to close. Flush the toilet to drain the water and relieve pressure from the tank. Open the tank lid and inspect the flapper, which is located at the bottom of the tank. If it's not sealing the flush valve opening properly, water will continue to flow from the tank into the bowl. Check for any wear, warping, or damage. If necessary, replace the flapper with a new one that matches your toilet model. Listen for any hissing or water running in the toilet tank, which can indicate a problem with the fill valve. If the fill valve seems to be the issue, ensure it's properly adjusted according to the manufacturer's instructions, so the water stops filling at the correct level below the overflow tube. If adjustments don't stop the running, consider replacing the fill valve. Sometimes the solution is as simple as adjusting the flush lever or chain. The chain should have just a little slack. If it's too tight, it can prevent the flapper from sealing properly, and if it's too loose, it might not lift the flapper high enough to allow a full flush. Once adjustments or replacements have been made, turn the water supply back on and flush the toilet to see if it's still running. Watch the flushing mechanism to ensure that everything is functioning as it should and that the water stops running once the tank is filled. And that's it! You've successfully fixed your running toilet. With these simple steps, you can save water and cut down on your water bills. Remember, a little bit of DIY can go a long way in maintaining your home's plumbing in top shape. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.